battles. Gonna continue on. So our first battle for the next round. I'm here. Oh, sorry. What's the? Sorry, I forget about you sometimes. Just kidding, man. I always remember you. Can't forget that face. To my left, can I get? Sorry, it's too hard to pronounce, but B-Boy Majo, can I get you to my left? God Send Wolves, Gago Brothers, Buhawi. There you go. Oh, that's good? Yeah, respect. And to my right, representing Paranormal Panda's crew, can I get Bale? Let's do this. Alright, we're going to get 2 rounds apiece. DJ LJ2. Give him that music.
393 stop.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I got a thing on my mind.
Majo. God Send Wolves. Gago Brothers.
Don't let nobody tell.
Second power.
Till I get my dues. I got a thing on my mind.
G1 Bale. BBC. Majo, last round. Check it. So clap. Give these guys some energy. Hitting beat. Let's go, B-Boy Bale. Last round. Give us some love. Rockin' beat. Yeah. Nice. Love. Give it up for these guys as we go into the judges, decide their fate.
393 stop.
Judges, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. B-Boy Majo advances.